Hi there, my name is Charlie Gautier. I'm a registered financial advisor in Auckland, and I've come up with this idea just to share a few tips and tricks, give people a few ideas around mortgage and insurance stuff in New Zealand. Because let's face it, it's a pretty boring subject for most. Not for me, thankfully, but I do try to make it just a little bit more interesting for people. So I thought I'd share some of this information that I've garnered in my years of doing this, and I thought I would start the subject off with what is a broker, because a lot of people don't actually understand how a broker-customer-bank relationship can work. So a broker is someone that represents the customer, yeah, and they will go to the bank and they will provide all the application forms necessary, all the paperwork, they do all the groundwork, they come up with all the figures of how much you can borrow, they request the interest rates, they do everything really that's just going to take the hassle out of it for you as the consumer. Now the really good thing here is that they make it a lot easier, because we can actually submit multiple deals to multiple banks all at once. Whereas if you try doing that yourself, you're going to be filling out multiple application forms and arguing between the two about interest rates and so on. A broker has the ability and the market knowledge just to be able to go out there and say, right, well, this bank's offering this, I want you guys to match it in order to garner you that best deal. There is usually no fee attached to using a broker. I certainly don't charge one unless I'm not being paid by the bank or the insurance company. That's not a very common occurrence, so to be honest, I would say that I charge zero fees, and most brokers should do the same. There are some out there that will charge a fee on top of the commission they receive from the bank or the insurance company. Personally, I don't think that's a fair call, because they're just clipping the ticket at both ends and don't really need to be charging you anything. They can be making your experience that much better. So when you're choosing a broker, how do you do it? Well, I would find someone, the most important thing really is that they're a good fit for you, and that you feel that you can trust them, that you have a good relationship with them. And I would make sure, of course, that they are either a registered or authorised financial advisor, because you have to be one of those two to trade in New Zealand, giving financial advice. Make sure they give you a copy of their disclosure statement, which is the legal document they have to go through. Other than that, look, if I can help with any further questions, please feel free to post in the comments section below, or flick me an email at charlie@innovest.co.nz, or fill out the form on the right there, or the left, whichever it is, and we'll be away laughing. I'll get in touch. Alright, take care, enjoy your night. See ya.